Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this one we will be discussing about EngageBay, and this is the best all-in-one CRM panel site. So if you are interested in CRM platforms, this is the most suitable for you if you are looking something in range of price point and stuff like that. So before we dive in, you can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits on this site, so make sure to check that out. Back onto the site now, talking about its dashboard, you can see we have various different options for marketing, sales, and services. Now, of course, if it is a CRM panel, it is going to be offering a lot of these options, like for example, email templates, marketing, automations, which is really popular nowadays and super and highly effective, lead generation forms, as well. You can see connect your email. So if you want to simply manage businesses and email responses on your personal email or your business email, you can connect your email from this point. You can see on the top we have contacts. You can even create some contacts on this site, and if you want to create a new one, click on this option on the top right side of your screen to enter your contact details. You can see basic details needed to be entered to make an entry. Similarly, in forms, you can create a form. Forms are really popular as well. Landing pages. Now, landing pages, if you want to sell some product, that could be really useful. The templates are available in form of email, video templates, and SMS templates. So super effective. If I click on email templates, you can see we get this option to create new. Head over to that and you can see how beautiful these templates look. So you can choose through any of these, and the point is here that it is going to be making your emailing super advanced and also highly effective and attractive. So you can see how well designed this one is. I, as a designer myself, appreciate this design because everything is following a nice color theme. You can see the text is in line, the icons, and everything looks super nice. So I would really recommend you guys, if you are willing to use some CRM panel, this site is highly recommended. So make sure to give it a try, EngageBay, and also you can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial and exclusive benefits on this site. Make sure to check that out. Make sure to subscribe to our channel as well if you feel like our content is providing you guys the value you are looking for. So make sure to drop a like and share with your friends. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.